Hey, New Smyrna Beach Nana here. Taking a walk on a 65-degree day. Got nice wind chills today. About 20 to 30 mile an hour winds, which is much better than being up north because in the 60s it's not too bad. But what I like, let's see if we can catch this, is when the wind blows. Of course, I got the phone out and now it's not going to do it. When the sand blows across the beach, like the snow would kind of blow across the road. Now you can sort of see, oh, there it goes. There we go. Now we got a little sand action. Blowing nicely. You can probably hear the wind. I'm trying to cup it. A little blowing sand. Not good if you're eating on the beach, but what I like is watching the waves when they just blow, the air's coming from the land. It's nice. Not too many people on the beach today, although it's a Sunday. But hey, it's all good. All good. Nice ocean view in the back. Yeah, baby. Hanging out, waiting for our pizza before the Super Bowl. I hope all that my New Smyrna Beach Nana fans will be rooting for the Eagles today. That is the team of choice for you to please watch and enjoy. And I think they're going to pull it off. I really do. About time. It's a Philly thing. I have my It's a Philly thing shirt on, but it's too chilly to take the sweatshirt off, so not hitting that part yet. Here's goes. Who wants to look at me? There we go. Some seagulls flying around, hanging out on the beach. Nice water. Now that water, the other day it was 80-some degrees on Friday. That water was up to 75 degrees. Not anymore. So we're just kind of hanging out with my friends here. How you doing today? Yeah? You're leaving? Oh, it's windy, isn't it? I know. Now the sun's getting a little lower. It's getting cold. Ooh, look, the seagulls are swimming over there. There we go. Taking a bath. Very nice. Nice quiet beach. That's what I like. Ooh, oh, here comes the sand. There it is. Just leave you with this serene moment to enjoy your evening before the Super Bowl. It's time for me to pick up my pizza and gonna get wet here. There's the sand below the line. You see it? There it goes. Not eating my pizza on the beach today. No, thank you. Oh, getting sand in my eye. Wonderful, just what I wanted. So I'm done. So we will talk to you later. Remember, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell so you know when a new video's up. And good luck tonight. Go Eagles. We'll catch up with you later this week. All right. Love y'all. Bye.